Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm rcinginsc. Today is part 4 of the WLToys starting over project. Guys, if you remember, part 1 we did the body and paint, part 2 we did the suspension, part 3 we did the drivetrain. Today we're going to do the FPV system and get the lights working. In case you missed any of those videos, guys, I'll put a link to the playlist in the description below. So let's go ahead and get into this. Guys, thanks for hanging around. Just so you know what we're going to be doing, we're going to be installing a Runcam Micro Eagle as the FPV camera, this 600 milliwatt VTX with a Foxeer antenna. We're going to be installing this balance lead connector to run power for the lights and the FPV system straight from the battery, which is a 3S battery. And we already have a switch installed on the hood of this from the previous version that we can control the lights with. So it's going to be a pretty simple install, not nearly as complicated as the last buggy. So anyway, let's go ahead and get started. Well, guys, there it is. It's all wired up. Everything's working. I've already tested the camera, VTX, all that's working. The lights work. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up and I'll show you what I've done in case you weren't able to follow along, and then we'll just take it outside for a test drive. All right, as you can see, we do have the GoPro on top. Almost forgot to mention that. We're gonna test this mount. It's just held on with tie wraps. Hopefully it's gonna still provide a stable platform. Let's go ahead and open it up. We'll show you what we got. Guys, what we did was simply have a balance lead here for a 3S battery. That power wire goes all the way up to the front to a connector right here. That way I can unplug the connector like that, and then I can take the roof off completely separate without having to cut any wires or anything like that. And then simply the power comes in, goes to the front lights, at least the ground does. The power goes through the switch and then to the other lights, and then the other power wires go to the camera and to the VTX. Since everything will accept 12 volts or 3S battery, there was no need for any type of voltage regulator. So the only thing that's switched up here is the lights, but the camera and the VTX are running straight off power. As soon as you plug it in, the camera and VTX are powered up. So if you don't want to run FPV, you would just simply unplug your balance connector, and then you can just run it line of sight if you wanted to do that, save on your battery. So we're ready to take it outside for a test drive. We're going to test the FPV and the GoPro mount. Thanks, guys, for watching. Enjoy the rest of the video.